Hey YouTube, today we're going to be testing out my new Greenworks Pro 80 volt 18-inch chainsaw. Just got it from Amazon. You can buy the chainsaw that's just a tool only without the battery or charger. That costs about $159 from Amazon and the same price at greenworkspro.com. Or you can buy it with the battery combination that you see here. It costs you about $235. So I got this because I wanted something a little bit smaller than my Husqvarna 28-inch 68 cc chainsaw. This one says it's about equivalent to a 45 cc gas chainsaw. So we're gonna run it through the paces and see how we like it with the battery and the bar oil reservoir filled up. It weighs 16 pounds, 4 ounces. Comes with a 4-year warranty. Battery charging in about 30 minutes. It says it does about 150 cuts. Once it's fully charged, the fan will stop running. And then you take it off and slide it in the case, or what I call the garage, battery garage. And down till you hit click, that means it's locked in. Now it's locked in. To unlock it, you're going to come around here and push this green button, pull it towards the battery, unlock it, and then you can take it out and charge it. Like I said, I have the 4 amp, as well, but I don't think I'll be using that. I'll just carry an extra battery with me. So I'm going to unlock it, bring it towards the chainsaw, lock it, push it away towards the blade. Turn it on, easy enough done. Push the button, turns green, turn it on, beeps, and then you turn it on. You also have a chain adjust right here, plus it to the right, minus to the left. Adjust it with a screwdriver. You want your chain to be tight to the bar. That's pretty good. Always run your chainsaw with bar oil, so it'll extend the life of the chain and the chainsaw itself. Up to 110 decibels. Now we're going to switch over to the cordless. Alright, so we got about 20 decibel difference between this cordless one and the gas powered one. So I liked how this Greenworks 80V chainsaw performed. This is my first battery operated chainsaw that I've owned, but I own other Greenworks products and I've grown to like them, so I'm happy with this one as well. I think this is going to be handy for me when I'm trimming and pruning out in the yard or in the woods. I don't have to worry about carrying an extra gas can with me, mixing fuel. Just have to make sure that I have a charged up battery and I have a couple extras, so that will work out. Check out my other Greenworks videos. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you. Have a great day.